This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dananelson. Private, 9-acre, mini farm with large barn, 2 workshops, level land, stream, private well, fenced garden area and shed. Long range, year-round mountain views, 3/3, master bedroom and laundry on the main floor. Quartz countertops in kitchen. Several bonus rooms, vented gas fireplace, wood-burning stove in sunroom, porches, 2-car garage, fire pit, easy access, fruit trees, sauna, hot tub, generator with transfer switch. Handicap accessible. Separate apartment and entrance with second kitchen. Solar power credit. For more information, review the details below or contact Dana Nelson at 706-745.